All right, so I flipped it sideways, which has really worked out good. There you go, buddy. So now they're getting a little bit of air again because I bridged that gap a little bit. But also it's really cool because they kind of have a spot for their feet if they get nervous or someone doesn't hit it with enough speed. It's a little bit wider here, see? So that's the cool thing about these land sharks is that it's, the Landwave is that it's got a lot of different configurations. So one of these days I'll probably double up the ramp side and give them like a big huge ramp to just jump off of and land on some dirt or something once they get used to this. There you go. Whoa, good job, buddy. You gotta go. You gotta go. So see how he put his foot down there? It's like a little, kind of like a oh no spot for their feet, which is good for the little ones. Go. See, they couldn't do that before when it was other way because their feet would be way off the ground. Whoa! Good job.